What's going on, guys? It's Craig with Tech 360, and today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter in a 2012 Hyundai Tucson. Alright, so what you're going to want to do, open the door, obviously. You're going to go in, you're going to open up the glove box. Now, this is where it's at. Well, it's not in the glove box, it's behind it, but you're going to have these little tabs right here. You're going to take these, you're going to unscrew those, and that basically releases the glove box from the sides. And then once you get those, kind of remember what side they came off of, because they do have these little goofy grooves like this one right here. They only go on one side. One goes on one side, one only go on the other. Then you're basically gonna take this little clip off that's on the side of the glove box, like that. And you're gonna let the glove box drop. Now, where we're trying to go is right here. Well, actually, sorry, right here. And there's like little squeeze clips right there. You're gonna take those, you can squeeze those together, squeeze them, and pull out. And there's this cabin filter, and it's all sucked up in there. I'm curious. Yeah, it's a little dirty. So, I'll take that one out. Compare the dirty one to the clean one. And we're gonna stick this one right on back up in there. Somehow, let me figure it out. Okay, airflow. So once you get it back in there, you're basically gonna take it, put that back in there, put that back on, and then basically just reverse the steps. Just put that little clip back on, just like that. And then we're gonna find these little circle deals and just put those right back in the way they came out. And that's pretty much it. Alright so there you have it. Like I said, it's pretty simple. Just remember kind of how the little screws come in and out. Make sure you remember to put those back in right, because they're only going to go in one way either way. So if you have any questions, comment below, and I'll do my best to get back with you. Until next time.